Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get a refund if you accidentally purchase the Canva Pro subscription. So let's head over to the Canva app. Just click on this icon, then click on Ask Canva. Next is just click on Visit our Help Center. Then from here, just scroll down until you see Payments, Pricing, and Billing. And from here, just type refund, then press enter. And from here, just click on find help or reach support. Then contact our support team. Again, just click on payments, pricing, and billing. Then next, select an option under the issue. Scroll down. Then click on I want to request a refund for my plan. And under the refund request reason, you can either choose I canceled my plan before the free trial ended, forgot to cancel my Canva Pro, and just choose the best reason. You can further describe the issue or even add a screenshot. Then once done, just click on submit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily get a refund if you accidentally purchase the Canva Pro subscription. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!